I developed a strong passion for justice and legal studies during my academic journey. My deep interest in constitutional law and human rights fundamentally shaped my decisions to pursue a law degree. Throughout my undergraduate years, I was particularly drawn to courses focusing on constitutional law and civil rights, which ultimately led me to concentrate on these areas during my legal studies. My academic background in law has provided me with strong analytical and critical thinking skills, along with a thorough understanding of legal principles and procedures. These foundations has positioned me well for my current pursuit of a career in the legal field, where I am to contribute meaningfully to society through legal advocacy and representations. Based on my research, your company has established itself as a leading force in the industry, particularly gaining attention recently for its innovative approaches to sustainable business practice and commitment to corporate responsibility. I followed your CEO recent interviews about the company's expansions, plans, and commitment to ethical business practice, which strongly align with my professional values. As a recent law graduate, I can bring valuable strengths and experience to your legal team. My strong foundations in corporate law, combined with my experience in legal research and contract analysis during my internships, would be particularly relevant to your company's needs. I've developed excellent analytical and problem-solving skills through my legal training, along with strong attention to detail and the ability to handle complex legal documentation. My background in regulatory compliance and corporate governance would also be beneficial as your company continues to expand. I'm particularly drawn to your company's commitment to maintaining high ethical standards while pursuing growth, and I believe my legal expertise could help support this objective while managing potential legal risks effectively. First, I possess exceptional analytical and problem-solving abilities demonstrated during my final year law clinic, where I successfully handled complex legal cases and provided effective solutions for clients, managing a caseload of 50 cases simultaneously while maintaining detailed documentation for each. Secondly, I have strong leadership and collaborative skills, which I demonstrated as the head of the Law Student Associations, where I coordinate a team of 10 committee members to organize legal workshops and seminars, delegating tasks effectively while ensuring each event met its objective and deadlines. Finally, I bring excellent research and attention to detail capabilities evidence through my work on legal research project, where I analyze numerous court decisions and regulatory frameworks. During my internship at a law firm, I developed a comprehensive database of case precedents that improved the firm's research efficiency by 30%. The skills combined with my legal education and genuine passion for corporate law make me well equipped to contribute effectively to your legal team while maintaining the high standards your company is known for. My ideal working environment would be one that strikes a balance between professional focus and collaborative engagement. I thrive in a semi-formal setting where there's a clear structure for handling legal matters, yet enough flexibility to allow for open communication and teamwork. Having worked in both clinical legal settings and internships, I found that I perform best in an environment that maintains professional standards while encouraging knowledge sharing and mentorship. I appreciate a workplace that values but quit space for concentrated legal research and document preparations, as well as designated areas for team discussions and client meetings. This kind of balanced environment allows me to maintain the attention to detail required for legal work while also fostering productive collaboration with colleagues. From my experience, a workplace that encourages professional growth through regular feedback and learning opportunities is also essential. I believe this aligns well with what I understand about your company's culture of continuous improvement and professional development. I'm particularly drawn to environments where the members can maintain their professionalism while still building strong working relationships with colleagues. First, I excel at working under pressure, which I demonstrated during my final year of law school when I successfully managed multiple deadlines, balancing complex case analysis, legal research projects, and my role as a legal clinic volunteer. This ability to maintain composure and deliver quality work under tight deadlines has consistently been one of my core strengths. Second, I have exceptional attention to detail, which is crucial in legal work. During my internship at a law firm, I developed a comprehensive case management system that helped catch several critical details in contract reviews, preventing potential legal issues before that arose. This meticulous approach has become one of my defining professional characteristics. Third, I'm a natural team player with strong collaborative skills. While working on a pro bono project, I coordinate with a diverse team of 5 other legal interns, successfully delegating tasks and ensuring everyone's strengths were utilized effectively. We complete the project ahead of schedule, and our supervisor specifically commended our teamwork. The strengths are complemented by my strong sense of integrity and reliability, which I consider fundamental to the legal profession. I believe these qualities combined with my enthusiasm for legal work make me a valuable addition to any legal team. One word related I'm actively working to improve is my public speaking skills, particularly when presenting complex legal information to non-legal audience. While I have strong analytical and writing abilities, I recognize that effectively communicating legal concepts to clients and stakeholders requires a different skill set. To address this, I've been taking steps to enhance these skills by participating in legal presentation workshop and practicing simplified explanations of complex legal matters. I've already seen improvement in my ability to convey legal information more clearly and concisely. For example, during my recent internship, I made it a point to volunteer for client presentation opportunities, and I've been collecting feedback to continuously refine my communication approach. I'm also participating in a local legal education program where I explain basic legal concepts to community members, which has been invaluable in developing my ability to translate complex legal terminology into more accessible language. I believe acknowledging this area for improvement and actively working on it demonstrates my commitment to professional growth and my understanding of the importance of clear communication in the legal field. During my internship at the law firm, my supervising attorney often commented on my exceptional dedication to thorough legal research and meticulous attention to detail. She particularly appreciated how I would consistently go above and beyond in analyzing cases, not just in identifying the obvious legal precedents, but also finding subtle connections that strengthen our arguments. She would often say, "Your ability to maintain high standards while meeting tight deadlines is actually what we need in this profession." My clinical supervisor at the law school's legal aid clinic also notes my strong client communication skills. He specifically mentioned that I had a natural ability to explain complex legal concepts in an accessible way while maintaining professionalism. He was impressed by how I built trust with clients while efficiently managing their case. During my final evaluation, he wrote that my combination of analytical skills and interpersonal abilities made me stand out among my peers, noting that these qualities would make me a valuable asset to any legal team. I chose my university because of its strong academic reputation and its consistent record of excellence in my field of study. The university is well known for providing quality education supported by experienced faculty and extensive research opportunities. Additionally, as I was impressed by its vibrant campus environment, which fosters innovation and collaboration among students. On a personal note, my decision was also influenced by the fact that some of my family members attended the same university, and their positive experience further reassured me of my choice. In my spare time, I enjoy activities that not only help me relax but also enhance my personal and professional skills. I like reading books or articles about current legal developments and corporate governance, as staying updated helps me remain relevant in the field. I also enjoy volunteering in community activities, such as providing basic legal awareness to underprivileged groups, as it allows me to apply my knowledge in a meaningful way. On a more personal level, I enjoy exercising and spending time with friends and family to maintain a healthy work-life balance. These activities recharge me and prepare me to give my best at work. During my time at University Andalas, One of the most challenging situations I faced was leading a group project on corporate law that required extensive research and coordinations among team members. Unfortunately, midway through the project, a key member of our team unexpectedly became unavailable due to personal reasons. This created additional pressures on the remaining members to define their tasks while ensuring the quality of the work meet our standards. As the group leader, as I took the initiative to reorganize the workflow by relocating tasks based on each member's strengths and availability. I also maintained regular communication to track progress and address any difficulties promptly. In addition, I stepped up by taking on additional responsibilities such as compiling and editing the final report to ensure Josephines. Despite the challenges, our team completed the project on time and received positive feedback from our professor. This experience taught me the importance of adaptability, teamwork, and effective communication in overcoming unexpected challenges, skills that I believe will be valuable in this role. Thanks you for asking. I'm open to discussing a salary that reflects my qualifications, education, and the responsibilities of the role. Based on my research and understanding of the industry standard for these positions, I would expect a range of 5 juta sampai 7 juta, but I'm flexible and open to negotiations depending on the overall compensation package and opportunities for growth within the company.